First-degree equations might sound complicated, but they're really not. They are like simple puzzles where we need to find a missing number. Imagine a balance scale. You want to keep it balanced. Equations are the same way. We use letters like x to represent the missing number. This letter is called a variable. First-degree equations have only one variable, and the highest power of that variable is 1. Let's break down the parts of a first-degree equation. The variable is the unknown number represented by a letter like x. The coefficient is the number multiplied by the variable. For example, in 3x, 3 is the coefficient. The constant is a number that stands alone without any variable attached. Think of it like baking a cake. X is like the amount of flour you need to find out. The coefficient is like the number of eggs per cup of flour. The constant is like the sugar, always staying the same. Let's look at a simple equation, x plus 5 equals 8. Here's what we have. The variable is x, our missing number. The coefficient is 1, since x is the same as 1x. The constants are 5 and 8. This equation is like saying a number plus 5 equals 8. To solve for x, we need to get it by itself on one side of the equation. We can do this by performing the same operation on both sides. First, subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. X plus 5 minus 5 equals 8 minus 5. Then, simplify x equals 3. We found the solution, x equals 3. Section 5. Practice makes perfect. More examples. Let's try another example. 2x minus 4 equals 6. First, add 4 to both sides. 2x minus 4 plus 4 equals 6 plus 4. Next, simplify 2x equals 10. Then divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 10 divided by 2. Finally, simplify x equals 5. Section 6. Checking your answers. Always check your answer. Substitute the value of x back into the original equation. Let's check our previous example. 2x minus 4 equals 6. 2 times 5 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 6 equals 6. The equation holds true, so our answer is correct. Section 7. You can do it. Learning to solve equations might seem challenging at first, but with practice, you'll become a pro. Just like learning to ride a bike, it takes time and effort. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Section 8. The power of practice in mathematics. Mathematics is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. Solving equations is about understanding the steps and applying them consistently. Section 9. Conclusion. Unlocking mathematical confidence. Mastering first-degree equations opens doors to more advanced math concepts. It empowers you to solve real-world problems and builds your logical thinking skills. Remember, anyone can do math with dedication and practice.